Alright, so behind me we got the Fedelcode Model 5, which is going off at noon today, since they adjusted the timer yesterday. But before the siren goes off, let me show you my close-up video setup here. So right here is the Kodak Pix Pro AZ401, which is currently zoomed in on the siren right now. Zoomed at 80x. But anyway, this one's got the 40x IS wide-angle zoom. Oh, guys, alright, never mind. Alright guys, hold on just a minute here. We're going to take a picture of this plane overhead. Boeing 777. Actually, wait guys, that's a Dreamliner. Alright, so we'll show you guys those shots later. Okay guys, sorry about that. We just got a couple photos of a Boeing 787 Dreamliner flying overhead. But anyway, so the camera right now, I just shut it off. Now we're gonna wait till around 11:58, 59, turn it on, then we'll start recording. So anyway, sorry about that guys. We just photographed a 787 Dreamliner. So got the Kodak right here on the tripod, and there's the Fedelcode right there. So, oh, those are for truck. That was for truck fans, by the way. So anyway, here's the Fedelcode. Here's the Kodak. So yeah, we're ready for this test. It's going off at 12 noon, right on the dot today. So anyway, thanks for watching. Peace out.